It is pretty nice, yeah. It feels good to invest in health.
The project started finals week, where we removed all of the old equipment, we took the old flooring out, and the project lasted all over our winter break. Culminated this week with the delivery of all of our new equipment, kind of wrapping it up today in preparation for opening day on Monday.
Just it looks so good. All the new machines.
I'm really excited to use all the plate-loaded stuff. We didn't have a lot of that in the old gym, so having a lot of plate-loaded stuff, a lot of different cables over there, it's good to have more of a selection.
Face light up when they see it. Everyone I've talked to is so excited. I've gotten chills almost daily just walking in here and seeing everything that is new.
So one of the questions we've had for a long time is, do we have step machines, steppers? And the answer has been no. Now we have 3 of them, and I'm afraid that there's going to be a line for those, and there's going to be a demand to have more.
The interface is really nice and smooth. There's a lot of options.
Previously we had 16 treadmills, because when we did this renovation in 05-06, treadmills and cardio was really popular. Now a lot of things have turned over to functional fitness and free weights and spaces to be able to do different types of floor exercises and things. So we were able to right size our cardio, we were able to add some things that we didn't have before and things that our students had asked for, and to really give a more well-rounded experience in the facility as opposed to the things that we had previously.
I think all the people who had working out on their New Year resolution list, I think it'll be really fun and they will be able to keep up with it.
I think we're probably going to exceed our January numbers this year and even going into February, and hope that continues well into the semester.
I really hope the students know that we care, we're passionate, we heard you, and we're fortunate now that Wright State is at the place that we can invest in our students through recreation, and there's more to come.